Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing a rational expression to its lowest terms. In this video, we will be tackling the problem of simplifying the expression x squared minus 20x plus 100 divided by x minus 10. By the end of this video, you will learn the step-by-step process to simplify this expression and express it in its simplest form. Let's get started. To solve the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared minus 20x plus 100 divided by x minus 10 to its lowest terms, we begin with step 1, which is to factor both the numerator and the denominator if possible. First, examine the numerator, which is x squared minus 20x plus 100. To factor this quadratic expression, look for two numbers that multiply to 100 and add up to minus 20. Those two numbers are minus 10 and minus 10. Therefore, we can rewrite x squared minus 20x plus 100 as x minus 10 times x minus 10. Now, rewrite the original rational expression with this factored numerator. The rational expression x squared minus 20x plus 100 all divided by x minus 10 can be rewritten as x minus 10 times x minus 10 all divided by x minus 10. By factoring, we have transformed the numerator and prepared for the next step, which is simplifying the expression by canceling common factors. This completes step 1. Step 2 in solving the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared minus 20x plus 100 over x minus 10 to its lowest terms involves simplifying the expression by canceling out common factors. Once we have rewritten the original fraction with its factored numerator, we identified that both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor. The new expression we have is x minus 10 times x minus 10 over x minus 10. Now, we can simplify the expression by canceling out the common factor, x minus 10, from both the numerator and the denominator. Remember, canceling out means we are dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same factor. After canceling the common factor, we are left with x minus 10 over 1. Since any number divided by 1 is the number itself, the final simplest form of our expression is just x minus 10. This completes step 2 and is the final step in simplifying the rational expression to its lowest terms.